Hi guys, so today we're going to talk about some frost material. So the frost material is one of our best seller here in the United States and we offer several options. So like the frost material you're going to use on windows and let pass through the light, but you're not going to see anything between. So let's do again. So what we're going to do now, we are tacking just the top of the material. Make sure we're covered. What we can do here, I'm going to cut I don't think you need to show this part because I should have done. Okay, so the frost material is available in different colors. So you have different finish. You have the 771FX, you have the 881, and you have the colors as well. So they come in different technology of glue. Here you have some bigger samples. So for installation of the frost material, you don't need like really a lot of tools. We need some squeegees. There is our Italian flag kit that have the 3 different squeegee. So you have the green that is really soft, the white that is medium, and the red that is hard. So when you do installation on windows, you prefer use something that is medium or hard. The other thing you need is a knife to be able to cut on the edge. Or if you want, there is these new nice tools from Wraps One that kind of combine the 2 things together. So you have a squeegee, but you have also the knife. This is really helpful when you do installation for architectural that you need to cut on corners. Obviously, you need also a cleaning product and to make sure to clean the windows in the best way.